Friends, today we are going to learn Lamarckism in this topic. Jean-Baptiste Lamarck, before Darwin, this scientist proposed that morphological changes occurring in living organisms are responsible for evolution. Reason behind those changes is activities or laziness of that organism. He called this as principle of use or disuse of the organ. He gave some example to support this. For example, long neck of giraffe and weak wings of this ostrich, limbless snakes, developed muscles of bodybuilder. These examples are given by him. In this example, neck of giraffe elongated due to browsing leaves of tall plant. Shoulder of Iron Smith due to frequent hammering. Iron Smith hammer frequently, and due to this reason their shoulders are strong. Weak wings of ostrich, emu, due to their disuse. Snake lose their legs due to burrowing habits. All are example of acquired characters transfer from one generation to another. All these examples are of acquired character. Long neck of giraffe, acquired character according to Lamarck. The limbless snake, acquired according to this Lamarckism. And these characters are transferred from one generation to another. Means what is acquired during the lifetime is transferred to next generation. This is said in Lamarckism. This theory of inheritance of acquired character or Lamarckism. There are some objections to Lamarckism. Some part of this theory is accepted and some part is rejected. For example, muscle developed by bodybuilder will not pass into their offspring. You know that bodybuilder son or daughter may not bodybuilder. If they do not make exercise, their muscle will not develop. This is not genetic character. This character will be not transferred because that are acquired character. So here, development of organ due to specific activities or degeneration due to no use was accepted. Means one part of this theory is accepted. What? Development of organ due to specific activities or degeneration due to no use was accepted. But transfer of those characters from generation to generation was rejected. Which part was rejected? These acquired character are transferred from generation to generation. This part told by or given by Lamarck was rejected because it had been verified that modification are not transferred to new generation, or characters acquired during the lifetime by organism are not transferred to the next generation. And this is Lamarckism, everything about Lamarckism. So read this, recite this, and study. If you are asked, write notes on Darwinism or Lamarckism, you can give the answer from these our two clips.